Hello guys, today I'm gonna explain the week 5 lecture and week 6 lab. So in week 5 we'll learn about the ERP system architecture and integration. So here we'll learn about the different type of ERP architecture and how this architecture help to grow up the business. And it is surprising to see that the ERP integrate all the component of the business, which are user, ERP, databases, operating system, and obvious hardware. It is very important thing. In this lecture, we also learn how the ERP is different from the e-commerce, which is one of the booming industry in the world. The surprising thing is that the e-business depend on the disruptive technology, whereas the ERP depend on the adaptive technology. And we learn more thing in this, and it is very interesting lecture. And in the lab, we have to show the financial statement of the GPI. So to find the GPI financial statement, you need to go an app which is known as the display financial statement. So just here I already done this step. I'm going to explain how you can do this. Just click on display financial statement. Here we go. For the company code, you need to select the company. Just press on this, click on this, and just go. You will show that the company name. Here you can see that there are 3 company. We need to select this one, or you can select any one of them, which financial statement you want to know. Then click OK. And about the statement version, which type of statement, like you want financial, then simple press G000. You will get the financial statement. And if you like want to compare the statement from this period to compare from this period, you can enter any different value and date. And when you click on that, you will get all the information about what the GL account, what the period, all the information. In the next step, we need to show the display journal ledger account. For to do this, we need to manage GL account master data. I already done this step and put the screenshot in the file, which you can see here. And for the tutorial work, I already solved this question and pasted it here and in the e-portfolio. I hope this will work. Thank you.